Very quick one. Those of you who are asking question about how to set your, how to create your API on Binance. I've done the one of the API setting for Bybit, and so please take note. Anytime you are setting any API of Binance, Bybit, you need to log in on web, either on your phone or on laptop, anywhere. You need to set on web. All right. So then, if you are used in Nigeria. All right. You are in Nigeria and then you are not allowed to log in on the web, right? Some of my browser allow me to log in Bybit web. So you can download, this is free. You create and download this VPN Windscript. I use paid what's it called? VPN. I use paid VPN, right? So you can download this one either on your phone, just follow the prompt and follow it, and then you can enable it to be able to log in. Now, so going to the Binance, so I'm not going to go detail about this. I do not have that time. So now, so logging into Binance to set your API, to create your API. First, you go to your, call it for me, you go to your profile picture, all right, or icon, and then look at API management. You click on API management, right? Now you're using phone, but make sure if you're using phone, log in on, right? You can see my different API that I have here, DeFi Me, all right, Tap Trader, U Trading, and all of that. So then next you want to click on Create API, very simple. And then you are going to your system generated API. You see that, right? So you click on it and click on Next. I'm not going to use this API for anything, so you can call it you trade, okay? So you trade, depending on what you call yours. So you label it and click, all right, create. Now it's coming up. It's going to ask you to put your Google Authenticator. Some have to ask you to send a message to your email. So whichever way, follow the procedure. It's very simple. Please, you're finding this so difficult. It's not. So if that is done, okay, now it come up. So I'm not going to use this. So that's why I'm letting it open this way. Now, but before you set your API, because you are trading on you trading and all of that, ensure that you have opened your Binance account and create your and open your futures, because you are going to trade both future and spot. Now, if you have done this now, look at this thing. It shows this too. If you are creating it, don't let people see this. Both this secret and now take note. This secret, if you close this page now and come back, it will so asterisk. You can't access it again. Now, what do I do next? You are supposed to edit. You are supposed to enable all of these things. Can you see? They are not enabled. So sometimes people ask me that I cannot see where to say write and read and all of that. In Binance, you will also write and read. So this is what you see. So what am I supposed to do? You're supposed to enable spot and margin trading and then enable futures. At least these two. Don't enable other ones, but these two. How do I go about that? Look up here. Say, by clicking this box, all existing API keys on your master account and sub account will be subject to default security controls. No problem. So you click like this and click confirm. Now, when you click confirm, right? So you can edit this space. So now I'm going to go this way. So look at this edit restriction. You click on edit restriction. Can you see now? So you can see edit restriction to enable this. You still go back to this guy, right? Let's go back to this guy. Now see how I click, and then you click yes. See, I hereby instruct Binance to deactivate the default security and all of that. Say yes. All right. Scroll up, and then you enable. Okay, what's going on? Things should be network. Something. Could it be network? That should be network problem, because you need to enable this. So let me click on detail. Can you see now? So detail by checking this. So let me take out this. Aha, thank you. So you have to scroll it up as we see it now. So because that's what's going to enable that side. So you click this and click confirm. Click confirm. Now you are done, right? It's going to ask you to put in your authenticator again. No problem. It may even ask you to go to your email, right? Just do, because this is a security kind of thing in your account. Follow this procedure. If you don't get it, watch this video again and again so that you understand what you are doing per time. Because a lot of people complain to me, I'm not getting it right and all of that. So it still asks for a code to be sent to your email. So very quick one, I'm going to go to my email. So don't bother, I'm coming. So I want to go to my email and copy the code from my email. So I'm copying the code from my email. Let's go in my email. Yes, good. Copying the code from my email. So that's verification code, API precautionary measure, and all of that. Okay. So I'm copying the code from my email. Right. So I will enable now for security reason. So now I pasted it, right? So I've pasted this. So what now happened? Look at what happened now. That's when it's going to show where you can click to enable all of these things. Can you see now? Enable, right? So I'm going to click enable future, spot and margin. And these two, they are okay. Okay. Then I click on save. So I click on save. It's still asking me for this. Okay. I go ahead again. Well, so don't get bored out. Don't get tired doing that. It's for your own safety. They want to really know if you are the one doing all of those things. So I'm still going to go to my email, copy a code. Okay, so just a moment. So I go to my email again and copy a code sent there. They just want to be double sure that you're the one operating this account. So if you are the one, it shouldn't take you anything to go to your email. But if you are not the one, you start complaining, oh, why is it taking this and all of that? So follow the instruction. So I've copied the code and I will paste. So in pasting it now, so after pasting it, that's when you can have all of these things enabled. Look at them. Look at it. So you can see now I've ticked this, I've ticked this. So I haven't done this. Now I'm going to copy. So what you do, you copy. So you can highlight and copy and paste somewhere, right? Paste it somewhere and name it secret key. Then this one too, you copy it and paste it, you know. So then after you are done with this, so you are very, very fine. Are you getting now? So after you are done with it, maybe you paste it on your WhatsApp or your Telegram, then you can go to your U-Trading account, all right? You can go to your U-Trading and click on binding. So I may probably not be able to do that now. So you go to your binding because all the account I have here, they're already binded. So you go to API binding. It will show you, put the secret code and then paste it. Then submit. You are done. That's how to create the API. So those of you be asking me, how do I create my API? I'm binding difficult and all of that. Especially those of you using Binance. This is the procedure, and that's why you're finding it difficult. Do you get it? So when you click and it's not enabling, come up here and click on that enabling environment, and then you are good to go. So U-Trading is super, super amazing. And then you can now, and I've told us that once you start, you want to ask how to go about your, your taking trade and all of that. So you have to join the group and you allow us and you'll be added on the group. Thank you very much to everyone listening and watching. Bye for now.